Have you ever tried wrapping aluminum foil around the house in a special way and then been amazed by the results? Today you will see something truly unusual, yet very effective. To begin, measure out 5 generous tablespoons of salt. It really does not matter whether you use regular table salt or natural sea salt. Both will do the job equally well. Next, take 1 tablespoon of toothpaste and squeeze it carefully into a clean container. Toothpaste is one of those everyday items that always seems to surprise us with its many uses. Now grab a fresh orange and using a fine grater, slowly grate the peel directly into the same container. The zest is rich in fragrant essential oils that are released immediately once grated, and these oils are the secret to the power of this method. Make sure you collect a good amount of peel, so the mixture carries that strong citrus aroma. Once you have everything prepared, it is time to combine the ingredients. Take a spoon and begin stirring carefully until everything blends into a thick, smooth paste. The scent should be refreshing, bright, and pleasantly citrusy, filling the air with a natural fragrance. Spread out a sheet of aluminum foil on a flat surface. Place the prepared mixture right in the center of the foil and fold the edges over to wrap it securely. Shape it gently into a ball, pressing lightly so it holds its form. For extra strength and to ensure nothing leaks, wrap another layer of foil tightly around the first one. Now you have created a compact little ball filled with natural repellents. When warmer days arrive, flies, ants, and even cockroaches often find their way into our homes no matter how much we try to block them. This is where the foil trick shows its true potential. Take a toothpick and poke several small holes across the surface of the foil ball. Through these tiny holes, the aroma of toothpaste, orange peel, and salt will be released slowly into the air. What you have made is not only a clever insect repellent, but also something that lightly perfumes the room with a clean citrus touch. The combination works brilliantly because insects strongly dislike the blend of toothpaste, orange oils, and salt, while for us the fragrance is fresh and pleasant. This is one of those simple but clever home tips that can save you money and effort, keeping your home peaceful and more comfortable without harsh chemicals. Until the next tip, my friends, may you stay well and blessed.